Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about bananas, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with bananas. So if you're looking for some new ideas, some new ways to prepare bananas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's almonds, bacon, cashews, chicken, flax seeds, ham, macadamia nuts, nuts in general, nut butter, peanuts, pecans, pork, sausage, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables that pair well with bananas, there's chilies, onions, that's interesting, and sweet potatoes. In the way of fruits, the list is long. There's apples and apple juice, apricots, berries like blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, cherries, coconut, dates, figs, lemon, lime, mangoes, nectarines, oranges, papaya, passion fruit, peaches, pears, pineapples, raisins, tamarind, and tropical fruit in general. In the way of grains and grain products, there's bread, malt, oats and oatmeal, and toast. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese like cream cheese and ricotta, coconut milk, cream, ice cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's agave nectar, bourbon, caramel, chocolate, cognac, honey, oil, rum, and sugar. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.